Hello, welcome to the OMSAI Academy. We are already solving the 10th standard Cbse pre-board basic level paper, for which we had already solved the section A, section B. So today we are going to solve section C, question number 27. The question number 27 is why this 7 into I mean like 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13 and 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 plus 5 are composite numbers. Basically, composite numbers are the number which is having factors 1 itself and other than that also. Okay, so if I took 13 as common, what will I get inside? 7 into 11 plus 1, which is nothing but 13 into 78. So if I factorize 78 again, what will I get? 2 into 3 into 13. So here we are getting multiple factors for this number. So if we are checking the other number, 7 into 6 into 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 5. If I took 5 as common, what will I get inside? 7 into 6 into 4, 3, 2 into 1 plus 1. So here 5 into this whole number I'm getting 1009, which is itself a which cannot be factorized further. So this is the factor of this second number. So we are getting multiple factors of are these two number. So hence these are the composite number. Okay students, so I hope you understand this. We are moving further for the question number 27. Okay, so the 27th question is find the zeros of the polynomial of this equation by factorization method, and we have to verify the relationship of the zeros and the coefficient of the given polynomial. So basically I have to factorize this equation, but before that I'm just going to write it down. What is the value of A? Is 4, B is 5 root 2, and my C is minus 3. Okay, so if I want to factorize it, splitting the middle term, 4 threes is minus 12. I have to factorize in such a way that I want my answer should be 5 root 2. So see, 6 ones are 6 and root 2 into root 2. Root 2 is getting root square and square root getting cancelled. So it is nothing but 2 2s are 4. Okay. So no, we are getting 2, right? See, it is like this. Root 2 into root 2 is nothing but root 2 square. Square root getting cancelled, we are getting 2. So 6 2s are 12, and 6 minus 1 is nothing but 5 root 2. Okay, so 4x square plus 6 root 2x minus root 2x minus 3 if I get, then from this term I need root 2 as well out, but I have to first of all factorize for a 4 also. For a 4, I will write it like 2 into root 2 into root 2 x square plus 6 root 2 x minus root 2 x minus 3. Okay, so 2 into 2 root so see, 2 into root 2 is nothing but root 2 is 2 and 2 2s are 4. So understood. I hope you understand this. We will move to further. Okay, so from the first term, what will I get common? As if you check 2 root 2 x, if I took common, then what will I get inside is root 2 x plus 2 3s are 6, right? And already we took a common root 2x. From here we are going to take minus 1 as common. What will I get inside? Root 2x plus 3. So students, if you check, we got the similar term in the bracket, which is we are going to take as common here, and the further steps we are keeping in another bracket. Okay, so we root 2x plus 3 is equal to 0, or 2 root 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. So we are getting value here minus 3 upon root 2, and here we are getting value x is equal to plus 1 upon 2 root 2. Okay, so we got the two factors. Now we will check its relationship between this. Okay, so if I check the relationship between that, so see, yes, now I have to check the relationship. So sum of the equation, it means alpha plus beta is nothing but what? Alpha plus beta is nothing but minus b by a. So my alpha is nothing but minus 3 upon root 2 and my beta is 1 upon 2 root 2 is equal to my value of b. My value of b, if you check, is nothing but what? C. My value of b is 5 root 2, c is minus 3 and a is 4. Okay, 5 root 2. So this is nothing but 5 root 2 by 4. So if I want to make it LCM as common, then see, I have to multiply and divide this term by 2, right? So I'll get 2 3 is a minus 6 plus 1 upon 2 root 2 as common, right? So here am I getting minus 5 upon 2 root 2. Okay, so see, my RHS, I am getting minus 5 root 2 upon 4. For a 4, I am going to write 2 into root 2 into root 2. So my this root 2 and this root 2 getting cancelled. So what will I get at the RHS is minus 5 upon 2 root 2. So guys, if you check, the LHS and the RHS of equations are equal, and which is verified for the sum of the equation. So now we are going to check the product. Okay, so product of equation, it means alpha into beta is equal to c by a. So my alpha is minus 3 upon root 2 into 1 upon 2 root 2 is equal to my value of c is 3 upon 4. I think it's a minus 3. If I'm not wrong, we will check once. Yes, it's a minus 3. Okay, so it's a minus 3. Okay, so see, this is minus 3 upon 2 into root 2 into root 2. Root 2 ka square, and it is nothing but 2. 2 2s are 4, and here it is minus 3 by 4. So this is also verified. So like this way, all the we check the equation. Yes, so like in this way, we had checked the zeros and the coefficients of the polynomial, a relationship between that, and it is verified. Okay, so we will move further for the question number 28. Question number 28 is the ratio of the income of the two person. So if I assume, let income be X, and my expenditure be Y. So what will be the income of two person? The income of two person is 9x upon 7x. Okay, and the expenditure of that two person is 4y upon 3y, and if each of them manages rupees to save the 2000 rupees per month, then find the monthly income. Okay, so we have to find the monthly income of them. How we will going to find it out? So see, first of all, whatever the income they have, if we subtract the expenditure from that, then only we are getting this saving. Okay, so for the first person, if I check, for the first person, if I check, income is 9x and my expenditure is 4y. Okay, if I subtract the 4y expenditure from my income, then and then only I'm getting 2000 as my saving, right, per month saving. And if I check the second person, for if I'm checking for a second person, then my income of second person is 7x minus expenditure is 3y, and then I'm saving, then they are going to save the 2000 rupees per month. Okay, so if we solve these equations simultaneously, what we are getting, we will check. Okay, so we will solve these equations simultaneously and let's see. Okay, so if I do equation number one, I'm going to multiply with 3. Okay, and equation number 2 I'm going to multiply with a 4, and if I do the subtraction of both the equation, then what will I get? See, 9 3s are I'm getting 27x minus 4 4s are 16y equals to no, 4 4s are 16, no, I'm getting wrong here. It's been 4 3s are 12, right? Yes, should be 12. Yes, so it's a 12. Yes, for the first equation, 9 3s are 27, 4 3s are 12, and 3 2s are 6000 in here. For the second equation, 7 4s are 28x minus 4 3s are 12y, 4 2s are 8000. I have to do the subtraction, sign will getting changed. If you notice one thing, so this is not a decimal point. Okay, yes, so 27x minus 28x is minus x, this will getting cancelled and this will getting also minus 2000. Okay, minus minus getting cancelled, so I'm getting value of x is 2000 rupees. Okay, and this is the value of my income. If you check one thing, then if what they ask in the question is find the monthly income. Okay, so a monthly income of first person is, so if you check, we receive the value of x as 2000. So here 9 into x, 9 2s are 18,000. Okay, upon 7 2s are 14,000 is the monthly saving of the 2%. Okay, so 18,000 for the first person and 14,000 for the second person is the monthly income of that person. Okay, so we will solve the next question. Okay, so we will solve the question number 28, or the sum of the two digit. Okay, so first I'm going to assume let unit digit be x. Okay, and tens digit be y. So my original number will be what? My original number will be 10y plus x. Okay, and once the digit interchange its position, then what will be my number is 10x plus y. Okay, and what they're asking the question, sum of the two digits number and the number obtained by reversing the order of its digit, then 10y plus x plus 10x plus y is equal to 165. So as per the first condition, 10y plus y is 11y, x plus 10x is 11x is equal to 165. If I divide the whole equation by 11, then what will I get? Y plus y plus x is equal to 11 ones are 11 and 5s are 55, and this is how I'm getting my first equation. Okay, and as per the second condition, if you check, if the digits differ by 3, find the number. Digits differ by 3, it means y minus x is equal to 3. Okay, this is from the second equation I'm getting. Okay, so if you check simultaneously, if we solve the both equation, what will I get here? We will get the values of x and y. Okay, so we will check here. See, y plus x is equal to 15 and y minus x is equal to 3. Okay, if I simply add it, I'm getting 2y is equal to 18. My y will become 2 9s are 18. I got the value of y as 9. If I'm going to put this y is equal to 9 in either any equation, I will get the value of x. So y plus x is equal to 15. So my y is 9 plus x is equal to 15. My x will become 15 minus 9. X is nothing but 6. Okay, so either I will get the number as, my number would either 69 or 96 when it's changed, when it's interchange its position or digits, we can say. See, original number, if I'm going to write it down here, then either I will get the number what either I will get the number as 96 or I will get the number as 69. Okay, I hope you understand this question. We will move forward for the next question. So students, we will solve the next question, question 29. In the given figure, PQ is the chord of length 8. PQ chord is nothing but PQ, whose value is 8 centimeter, circle of radius 5 centimeter, with a center O. The tangents TP and TQ intersect at point T. Find the value of TP. Okay, so here we have to solve the value of TP. How are we going to solve? I just joined the OT is well, as PQ is the chord which is 8, it divides into two equal parts. It is nothing but it's a 4. PR is nothing but 4. So if I check in triangle OPT, OPR, if in OPR I check, if I use Pythagoras theorem, then I will get the value of OR, right? So my OP square is equal to PR square plus OR square. Okay, my OP square is 5 square, PR is nothing but 4 square, and OR I have to find it out. 5 5s are 25, minus 4 4s are 16 is equal to OR square. So my OR square is equal to 9. So I get the value of OR as 3. Okay, so yes, we get the value of OR as 3. As we have to find out the value of TP, if we compare the triangles, okay, I will explain you. Wait. Yes. If we compare the triangles like this triangle TPO and triangle PRO. Okay. So if we check, angle O is equal to angle O is nothing but common, correct? As well, angle PRT. Yes, angle PRT is equal to angle PRO, or else no, TPR. TPR and PRO are 90 degree. Okay, so I'll do one correction. Yes, my angle TPO. Okay, my angle TP. So my angle here TPO and PRO. So both angles are 90 degree. So hence, as per the angle postulate, my both the triangles are congruent, right? So triangle TPO is congruent to triangle PRO by using AA postulate. Okay, so if I write it down, its corresponding parts, so my corresponding parts are TP upon PR is equal to PO upon RO. Okay, just if I substitute the value of all, so my TP upon PR, PR is nothing but 4, PO is nothing but 5, my RO is nothing but 3. Okay, so TP, what will be the value of TP? What will be the value of TP? TP would be, TP is equal to 5 into 4 upon 3. Okay, it would be 20 by 3. It will get something 6.67 around. Okay, so this is how we are getting the value of TP. I hope you understand this question. We will move forward for the question number 30. Yes, we will solve the question number 30. It is very simple. Yes, if cot theta is equal to 7 upon 8, we have to evaluate cot square theta. Okay, so 7 into 7 upon 8 into 8 is equal to 49 upon 8, it's a 64. This is the answer of the question. Okay, now we will solve the OR question. We will solve the question number 30, or we have to prove that sin A plus cosec A the bracket square plus cos A plus sec A bracket square is equal to 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. Okay, so if you check, we will use the identity A plus B the bracket square, whereas it is nothing but A square plus 2 into A into B plus B square. Okay, plus cos A plus sec A square, we will apply the same formula, A plus B bracket square, which is nothing but cos square A plus 2 cos A sec A plus sec square A. Okay, so if you check sin square theta plus cos square theta, we will get the value as 1. For this, 2 sin theta, sin A plus cosec A is nothing but 1 upon sin A plus 2 cos A into sec is nothing but 1 upon cos A. Okay, plus, just shift the screen. Yes, now plus sec square A plus cosec square A. Okay, so sin A getting cancelled, cos A getting cancelled. I get 1 plus 2 plus cosec square A is nothing but, we have identity which is nothing but what, cosec square theta minus cot square theta is always 1. So cosec square is nothing but what, 1 plus cot square A. Okay, and sec square is nothing but 1 plus tan square A. Same like sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. So this identity we are going to use. So 1 plus 2 is 5 plus 6 and plus 1 is 7. 7 plus cot square A plus tan square A, and this is nothing but your RHS. Okay, so I hope you understand this question. So this is how we have to solve this question number 30. Okay, so now we will solve the question number 31, which is the last of the question of this section. So if you check the last question, cards bearing numbers 135 dash 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 35 are kept in a bag A. Cards is drawn at random from a bag. Find the probability of getting card bearing. Okay, so first question is nothing but a prime number which is less than 15. Okay, so sample space, what we will get the sample space of this is we want a prime number which is less than 15, which is nothing but 3, 5, 7, 11 and 13. These are nothing but 5. So our probability of this is nothing but 5 out of total number of outcomes is 18 over here if you check. So this is our answer. 5 by 18 is the answer for our first question. If I check the second question, a number divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, so what is our sample space? Number divisible by 3 and 5. So only one number is there, that is 15, which is divisible by both. Okay, so our probability of this number is 1 by 18. Okay, this is nothing but total outcome for some sample space is having only one event, so probability of the event is 1 out of 18. So I hope you understand all the questions. So we'll see you soon in the next lecture, which is of section D. Thank you so much. Bye.